Hi guys, Happy English New Year. Welcome to another new episode. This winter, the incidence of respiratory diseases has increased. So I am presenting an old video with voiceover. This is a 12 to 18 volt DC air pump motor. You can collect this motor from your online marketplace. I collected it from AliExpress. If you go to the AliExpress website and search for 12 to 18 volt DC air pump motor / air compressor motor, you will get links to numerous suppliers. You can collect this motor from any supplier from here. When you supply 12 to 18 volt DC to the motor, you will notice the pressure of its air discharge. It is very easy to use. This is an air mask. This is a medicine cup. And this is a hose pipe. These are available at the nearest medicine shop. If each part is separate, you will assemble them in the manner shown in the video. After preparing the set, the other end should be attached to the outlet of the air pump. Then, following the doctor's prescription, the liquid medicine should be placed in the cup. Then, if a connection of 12 to 18 DC volts is provided, the medicine will be released in vapor form under the pressure of the air, which will be instant effective for the patient. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video.